Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's former staffer dropped some bombshells in court, so how did the Duchess respond? A former staffer to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex has made a number of bombshell claims in court today that go against several public statements made by the royal duo. A hearing is currently underway in the UK as Associated Newspapers Limited, (ANL), appeals Meghan Markle's victory in a recent copyright and privacy court case. Meghan initially won the legal battle over a letter she sent to her father, Thomas Markle SNR, which was leaked and published in ANL outlets, including the Mail on Sunday, and the Mail Online in the UK. But now the company is appealing the ruling, and has revealed new evidence suggesting Meghan knew the letter would be leaked, that she and Prince Harry secretly cooperated with a royal biography about them, and more bombshell claims. New messages revealed in court have shown that Meghan accused the royal family of constantly berating her husband. The messages, which were addressed to her then Communications Secretary Jason Knopf, claimed that senior royals didn't understand why she wouldn't travel to the US to settle tension with her father. The catalyst for my doing this, sending the letter, is seeing how much pain this is causing Meghan texted Knopf. Even after a week with his dad and endlessly explaining the situation, his family seemed to forget the context, and revert to can't she just go and see him and make this stop? They fundamentally don't understand, so at least by writing, will be able to say to his family she wrote him a letter, and he's still doing it, the Duchess continued. By taking this form of action I protect my husband from this constant berating, and while unlikely, perhaps it will give my father a moment to pause. ANL's lawyer Andrew Caldecott has rejected Meghan's claim that she only ever intended for her father to read the handwritten letter she sent him in 2018. He told judges that messages sent from Meghan to her Knopf suggest the Duchess knew the letter could be made public at some point. Caldecott claimed that Meghan was happy for the public to read it if Mr. Markle were to leak it, and even wrote the letter with readership by the public in mind. A witness statement from Knopf claimed that Meghan asked him to review the text of the letter, and that she told him obviously everything I have drafted is with the understanding that it could be leaked. Knopf alleged that Meghan told him she referred to her father as Daddy in the letter, so that in the unfortunate event that it leaked, it would pull at the heartstrings. Meghan has previously denied claims that she ever meant for the letter to be seen by the public and said in her own written evidence, "To be clear, I did not want any of it to be published." Caldecott also argued that Thomas Markle SNR only shared the letter from his daughter because he believed she was behind nasty press articles about him. Mr. Markle had honored the privacy in this letter until the People article appeared, he said, referring to an article that detailed Thomas and Meghan's estranged relationship. Either we believe in freedom of expression, or we do not, Caldecott continued. Mr. Markle has been royally attacked in the People magazine in precisely the way he there describes, and this is his reply. He argued that releasing the letter was Thomas's way of responding to the claims about him that he believed Meghan had shared with People. Another section of Knopf's witness statement alleges that Meghan and Prince Harry cooperated with the writing of the royal biography Finding Freedom, despite the pair publicly denying any involvement. He claims that he met with the book's authors, Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand, to share briefing points from the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. Knopf provided text and email messages along with his statement, where he claimed Harry said that he and Meghan have to be able to say we didn't have anything to do with the book. He claimed that Harry told him, "The truth is much needed, and would be appreciated, especially around the Markle/wedding stuff, but at the same time we can't put them directly in touch with her friends." According to Knopf's statement, the couple authorized specific cooperation in writing, and Meghan allegedly discussed the biography with the authors multiple times in person and over email. He claims she gave them helpful written background reminders and specific cooperation on key topics. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have denied all claims that they were in any way involved in the writing of Finding Freedom. Meghan also responded to Knopf's claims in her own witness statement, which you can read below. "I accept that Mr. Knopf did provide some information to the authors for the book, and that he did so with my knowledge, for a meeting that he planned for with the authors in his capacity as Communications Secretary. The extent of the information he shared is unknown to me," she said, according to PA, "when I approved the passage. I did not have the benefit of seeing these emails, and I apologize to the court for the fact that I had not remembered these exchanges at the time. I had absolutely no wish or intention to mislead the defendant or the court. The lawyer who represented Meghan in the original case, Jenny Affia, has spoken about some of Knopf's original claims in a new BBC documentary, The Princes and the Press. Speaking with the Duchess' permission, Affia told BBC the stories about Meghan being a difficult and demanding boss were false, and rejected Knopf's 2018 allegation that Meghan bullied Kensington Palace staff. This narrative that no one could work for the Duchess of Sussex, that she was too difficult or demanding a boss, and that everyone had to leave, is just not true, she said. The overall allegation is that the Duchess of Sussex is guilty of bullying, she continued, adding that Meghan is absolutely not guilty of the allegations. When news of the allegations sparked by a 2018 complaint from Knopf were made public in March, Meghan strongly denied them, and the royal palace announced it would be conducting an investigation into them. The allegations are now part of an internal review within the palace.